Hey my YouTube friends, hope you're having a great day, and today I am doing a review on the Conair steamer, the ExtremeSteam, and picked it up the other day, actually about 2 weeks ago. Finally had a chance to use it after I just came back from my trip to take some of the steam out of my apparel. I will demonstrate here after I just talk a little bit about the product. By the way, if you click on the link in the description, I will put a link to the product so you can read other reviews and of course order it. And also thanks for liking this video. If you find it of help and subscribing to my channel, that would be great if you can do that. So as far as the product, very nice box, a lot of good detail. They did a great job, I think, for marketing the box. Some of the things they also talk about is how you can use this to freshen the deep steam, smooth and freshens, protects wrinkles even on delicate fabrics, eliminates, kills bed bugs and dust mites with the power of steam. It's got a little dog bed on there. And as I mentioned, it's a ExtremeSteam. It's got a little turbo button, so I'll show you that as well. Up to 50% hotter steam and up to 67% faster results. Now I've used a steamer iron, so I was looking for something that would be quick, easy to use, and it appeared that would be the case. So it's very cool. It heats up in 40 seconds, 2 settings, standard and turbo, up to 15 minutes of steam time and 1550 watts. So very, very cool there. Also in the box you have the instruction sheet with all the information. Comes in a couple of languages. It's easy to read. I do sometimes need to wear reading glasses, but this I find is pretty easy to read there. Then next up, you have another piece of information. You got parts in the box up here. Down here, you've got the steaming tips and hints and caution stop. So good information there. I'll share with you about the parts in a minute. And then operating instructions on the other side. As far as the parts, obviously you got the steamer. It also has a built-in creaser up here. You can lift this, you could put your apparel item in there, and then there's a little area on the top where steam comes out, and you have this built-in creaser, perfect for pleats and folds. It's got a water tank, this lever here, you push this up, the water tank comes out, and you're good to go, and it works for up to 15 minutes of steam time. What you also want to make sure to do is use distilled water. So there you go, and then this just slides right back. Oh, before I put that back on, you just lift this up, and then it's got a little hole there, and then you could fill it in, and you're good to go there. And then just snap that right back in place. So next up, it has a silicone band, pulls fabric taut for easier steaming. You have the delicate fabric spacer for protects fragile fabric and trims, and the Bristle Brush, which loosens fibers to let steam reach deeper. Effective on most types of fabrics, linens, and drapes. Helps eliminate the bed bugs, dog bed. You can use it on your curtains. So the way this goes on is it's got these little grooves on the inside of there, and then it just locks into place. So you put this on here like this. So now it's snapped on place, and then all you would need to do is just slide it like that. So you can use that one piece, slide that out, and then you can use this little bristle, and this slides into place, and you are good to go. So let me see if there was anything else that I missed there, but I'm wondering actually if you can. Let's just see this, if you can put it this way. No, it looks like you have to, it has to go this way, the way it lines up, but you can see it stays on well. Now, as far as, and again, I will demonstrate to you, you've got your steam ready. So after 40 seconds ready, you press that on and to let the steam go. Then you have your turbo button here up on top, and that lights up, and then you have your on and off button there. You can hang this if you were to want to hang it, and you got a very long cord. I don't know how long it is, but it is very, very long, and you've got this to organize your wire when you're done using it, and so you can just fold that up nice and neat. What I want to do next is to demonstrate the steamer, just to show you how well it works. And you can click on the link where you can get more information and read the review. So let's go ahead and set this up and let's start steaming. So there we go. Now it is good to go and the light is on. We're going to go ahead and push steam. And now the steam is coming out. So that is the normal mode, that's not turbo. Now I'm going to go ahead and press turbo. And now the turbo light is on. And you could, again, turn it off if you choose to do so. So there you go. And again, you can see the wrinkles on the shirt a little bit there. So let's go ahead and steam that. And you can get somewhat close to the shirt. Depending on the fabric, you just want to make sure you're being careful not to cause damage. It's very hot. So, and again, I could just turn the turbo off if I want to, so then it's not going to be as strong of a steam, but enough to do damage and do the in a positive way to deliver a good result. So there you go, very quick and easy. You could see all the wrinkles appear to be out. Let me go ahead and just turn the turbo back on. And it doesn't take long. So let's see, almost out. You can see there, it looks like the wrinkles are out. And let's check out the arm. We'll just steam right through the arm as well. And looks like it's coming out real nice. And it's great. And what's nice is you don't have to worry about with the water spilling it out. You just keep it in the tank and then just turn it on, you're good to go. All right, so nicely done there. It looks like just get on this side a little bit. And this will definitely make life a whole lot easier. You probably could, if you've got enough water in the tank, to lay it on an ironing board and use it like an iron, almost. But I think if you just hang the item up like this, it should work well. And again, what's nice is you can also use this with curtains and other items that you might want to steam. All right, so that is that one. Let me go ahead and get the next shirt. Now, if I go ahead and press the turbo button and then press the ready steam button, you can hear it just stops. It stops very quick, and you're good to go there. All right, let's get the next item up for bid. Here we go. Now, this one has got some good wrinkles, so this should be a good demo here. Let's get this on here, and here we go. Turn it back on. Let's see how well this will deliver on this shirt. Make sure I got the turbo on. Now it looks like I am getting low on water, so I'll probably have to put some in here. I didn't fill it up all the way, but this will at least give you an idea how well it works. And go a little bit more, and then I'll show you the final results here of the shirt. It seems like it's doing a nice job with the wrinkles, taking them out, and you only have to go over it just a few times and it will take those wrinkles right out. So be sure to click on the link where you could get more information on this steamer. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, if you're not really into ironing, this might just be nice, quick and easy for you to get those quick wrinkles out. You might have had a shirt that you've had in your closet for quite some time folded up, and it just needs a good steam, and you're good to go, and then you could start wearing it. But also, by the way, I noticed like no water is spraying onto the shirt like you might get that with an iron, which is good as well. And one thing that someone had said with steam and ironing, it sometimes shrinks the item, so keep that in mind as well a little bit. But I think this does a very good job. I think it's a great value for the money, and I know I'm going to use it quite a bit. All right, everybody, happy steaming. See you on the next video. Take care.